Hello once again. As you liked my previous Beats and Bose tutorials, today I decided to show how to fix Beats Pro headphones. It's a typical problem for this model. And to do this job, as always, you will need soldering kit with working tools. Or today's patient, Beats by Dr. Dre Pro, old model but still very popular. Problem is that there is no sound from the opposite side. You can visually see the problem, you don't have to dig deep for it. Alright, let's do this! First, take off the decorative metal plate. There's a screw underneath it. Then unscrew the screw that holds together the headphone construction. With this screw you can adjust how tight headphones can rotate. And by tightening it, you can save yourself from cable defect. And here's the problem, ruptured cable. Unscrew the next screws to get to defective cable. When it's done, we can start phase 2, because we need additional cable length for repairs, and we can get it from speaker side. Remember, when screwing the screws, you should be wary of speaker magnet, because, trust me, you don't need to make another problem for yourself. When we get to speaker, we can start dismantling the construction. Then, without breaking it, carefully free the glued cable and then freely pull it out of the speaker camera, to get it about 2-3 cm longer. When additional cable length is obtained, arrange it back to its hiding spot and attach it with little bit of glue so it doesn't fall out. Then build back the speaker. Remember to look out for magnet when screwing the screws. Then prepare cable for soldering. Do the same with the other end of the cable. Solder both cable end vanes to make them easier to solder later. When wires are prepared, build back the pieces that won't be needed for the next tasks. Put everything back like it was and prepare the wires so we could comfortably solder them together. This is the most important part of this task. You should concentrate for at least 120%. When you're ready to rumble, solder wires together. Don't forget to mutually isolate them. Wires are soldered. Now carefully put back both headphone parts back together and securely tighten the screw so the headphones won't move so freely. Fixate the screw with a small piece of glue on the side and put decorative cap on the screw. Looks like we are done. Just the last check to make sure everything is A-OK. Music plays, both sides are working. Excellent, we saved a lot of money. Cheers! Don't forget to give me a virtual thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment.